Hello and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another reading vlog, and this time ChatGPT is going to choose how many pages I read in a week. I have seen a couple of other creators do this and I thought it is so fun. I need some sort of a reason to read as much as possible from my physical TBR plus give myself some challenge to make it interesting. I know already reading is interesting, but I love that challenge. I love that, sprinkle of some interesting things. So क्या था ये? Anyway, so I have decided that I won't decide anything. ChatGPT will decide for me. So I started it today. It's Holi, like not Holi ka day, it's the next day. So it was holiday, but there were songs playing everywhere around me. Like आगे पीछे मेरे घर के सब जगह साइड से गाने चल रहे थे अलग अलग. So I could not film in the morning. It's evening time right now. But I decided to start the challenge already because otherwise मुझे time नहीं मिलता और I had some free time to read. So I decided to ask ChatGPT in the morning and it picked 127 pages. So I get to read 127 pages today. So I started this book called The Courting of Bristol Keats today. It's a fantasy book. I am hoping that there are high stakes because she is going to try to find her father whom she thought is dead and now she get to know that he is maybe alive. There's a chance that she can find him. She's going to take that. She wants some answers. What is happening in her life? What happened? How her parents always lied to them. They were always hiding something and she wants all the answers. There are fates involved. Interesting. I love to read about fates because they are vicious, they are cunning, they are smart, they are bargains and they are vows and disciplines, they are rules and regulations. They are very interesting to read. So I'm excited to read this book. It's by the same author who wrote Dance of Thieves duology. I haven't read that, but I know a lot of people love that and people talk about that series a lot. So I'm intrigued and I want to see how her story goes. Out of 127 pages, I have read this much so far. Wait, let me check it now. I have read 56 pages so far. So there are still a lot of pages to read, which I will read after filming this. There hasn't happened a lot. Like it's just that in the first 40 pages, we just get to see that the Fays are trying to recruit her for something, and it's just half a day. ठीक है, ज़्यादा नहीं हुआ है. And they want to recruit her. They have invited her, and we see if she goes there and what happens. Of course, she is going to go there because it's the starting of the book. So of course, they have to cross paths, and then she will start getting some hints and clues, and then the things will proceed further like that. So it's going okay so far. Like it's a slow start, but we get to know about her family, and her sisters. She has two sisters. She is the middle child. It's in third POV. There are multiple POVs, like we get to see the main Faye character's POV as well. But I have no clue कि क्या age है. Like she is 21 years old, but उस Faye का age I have no idea. Which I'm saying this because he knows her mother and father. So I don't know कि उसका age exactly क्या है. You know what am I supposed to consider? So that is a bit confusing. Also, this is an urban fantasy. So set in the world where there are electric bills and mobiles and normal life, plus there are fays. So she is confused when she sees some people with wings and horns and she thinks that they are monsters and now she's getting to know that fays exist and now she's going to try and bargain with them. That's all I have figured out in the first 50 pages. The font is small, but the chapters are short. So I like that. That especially when the chapters are short, it's easy to get through the book. First of all, you know कि chapter खत्म हो रहा है. तो you'll read some more करके थोड़ा बहुत हो जाता है. So I'm hoping to read this. Also, I started. Wait, I'll just keep this down. I started this on a छुट्टी का दिन, right? So I had some time. So I decided to go from 50 to 300. But there are days when I'll be working. So on work days, I'm gonna go for 0 to 150. I think we'll see how that goes. I think 0 to 150 is going to be my range for work days. And जो 3 दिन है, today, tomorrow, and day after tomorrow, I'm gonna do it for 300 pages. Like 300 pages का target होगा. So we'll see. Also, I have noticed that I watched this video of Liv's library, Olivia's video from Liv's library, And she was saying that the ChatGPT kept on giving her numbers with 127, 157, 1, whatever, something 7. It always ended with 7. So she was confused कि why that is happening. And the same thing happened with me. So I literally got 127. So I think it's giving the most common answer. So if people have already asked it to pick a number, it is giving the answer which it had already given a lot of people, and a lot of people accepted that answer. Like, thank you. That's a trigger. कि, हाँ, that answer is correct. So I think that's what is happening. So tomorrow I'm gonna be very specific with my request, and we'll see if we get an interesting answer or not. It's day 2 and I finished the pages. I mean, I didn't really finish them yesterday because सारे नहीं हो पाए. तो आज सुबह उठ के मैंने जो बाकी के बचे थे वो ख़त्म कर लिए थे, like 20-30 pages. And then I also asked ChatGPT for today's number. So this time I asked it in a different way. Like I asked it to give me some not so common answer because वो common answers ही दे रहा था बार बार जो उसने पहले दिए हैं. And it chose 173. So I have to read 173 pages of this book. I mean, I can read anything. I'm gonna read this book. I'm gonna continue this book. I honestly thought that it is going to be easy and it's going to be a standalone. But just speed se ja raha hai and the way the story is going, I don't think, of course. Then I checked the author's Instagram profile and there's another book coming this year. So it makes sense because I thought that she has made a bargain. So she will go on a quest and find whatever she has to find and complete the task and find her father at the same time. That's what I thought. No, she's getting a training, 2 weeks ka training, and we get to see all the things, like all the fantasy elements and the world building. And there's a proper lesson going on right now. So I really don't think कि ये एक दो बुक्स में भी खत्म हो जाएगी स्टोरी. But I'm enjoying it so far. It's interesting to see the world and the characters and the creatures and how there are some secrets and who's right, who's wrong, who deceived whom, what exactly happened. Like we don't know what happened with her parents and why they left that fairy world and came to mortal world. One thing which I am not really a fan of is third POV. I don't like that. So this book is in third POV, and then there are their emotions and what they're thinking constantly. Like we get to see that, but like, oh, she thinks that she is doing this, she is doing that. Her stomach churned. She wanted to do. It gets annoying after a certain point. So, not really a big fan of third POV, but so far the book is going great. I am enjoying it. I am gonna continue this book only. इसके बाद भी 173 पेजेस पढ़ने के बाद भी ये बुक खत्म नहीं होगी because then I will reach 300 and this book is around 540 pages long. So let's hope कि ये कल तक खत्म हो जाए because एक तो this is a trade paperback, so it's not a normal size. ऊपर से the font is small and then there are 550 pages. So टेक्निकली अगर इसके बदले में कोई रोम कॉम उठाती ना तो 3 दिन में 2 खत्म हो जाते बताए. But that was the point that I wanted to read this because since the book is big and the world is unknown to me, so I was like, procrastinating and not picking this book up. But then I thought, okay, chalo, ये weekend को time है, let's read, let's focus on this particular book and finish it. So that's what I'm gonna do, and I'll come back to you with an update tomorrow. I'll come back tomorrow. For some reason, the audio did not record for this particular clip, so I'm gonna give you a quick rundown. So it was day 3. So I asked ChatGPT to pick a number and make it more challenging, and it picked 267, which was challenging. I continued this book and finished it on that day itself. I literally did not check my phone. I logged in and read. So that's what I'm talking here. I don't remember my exact thoughts, and I can't really hear what is happening in that. There's too much background noise since the audio is not great. So that's basically it. next day and I finished this book yesterday. It's 541 pages long. So I completed my 267 pages. Kitna tha? 263. I don't remember the exact number anymore, but I finished that and started this book. Let's talk about the book I finished first. So this it's a duology, so that's what I got to know. It's a good thing that it's just a duology because half of the questions were answered and there are few things which we are yet to know. So of course there is another book. So I was very satisfied that after reading 540 pages I got at least some of the questions answered, because there are times when fantasy books don't really give you any answers. There are just people talking, meeting and wandering through the halls and doing just bickering and doing literally nothing. Like there's just one major event happening and then there's nothing else happening in like 500, 600 pages long books, and I hate that. If the stakes are high, then I want some action. And if like I am fine with cozy fantasies, like I don't mind low action, low stakes, slow paced books. But if somebody is saying that the stakes are high, then I need something to happen. Like I can't. So that's why I never really finished from Blood and Ash series, and also I didn't really enjoy. I don't remember the name. I think the third book is All This Twisted Glory, that series. So I didn't enjoy that at all because even after three books, nothing was happening. That's what I felt. That's my opinion. Some people read it for the fantasy plus the romance, like the romantasy part of it. But I want some action. That's it. Like if you're saying high fantasy, I want some action. Thoroughly enjoyed this. I loved the world. I loved the politics. I liked how everything was grey and like I could not pick a side. And even same with Bristol. Bristol could not pick a side. She wanted, like she is still in the dilemma and she's trying to balance both the things. She got to know so many things. Like she got most of her questions answered and now she is like, adjusting to the fact and really letting that sink in, that what is going on, who she is, who her mom and dad are. So I totally enjoyed the book and I would give this 4 stars. That's what I have settled on right now. I don't know, it might change tomorrow. We really don't know. Then I started this book yesterday because I wanted something very light. I have already read a lot of cozy mysteries in the last week. So I didn't want to pick up another mystery because I have a mystery on my TBR, but I wanted to read a rom-com. So I decided to pick this one up because I had already read a few pages few days back, so I knew okay what I'm getting myself into, and this one is so much better than the previous book. This is the second book in the series, and I mean the first book was not my favorite in terms of romance, but the writing was easy and I liked that it was a STEM rom-com. So I was really excited for this book, and I mean this is so much more interesting and funny and very fluffy in terms of rom-com. It's way more better and I can see the improvement in the writing style. So I forgot to mention that I asked ChatGPT in the morning itself कि मुझे कितने pages पढ़ने so that I can start reading. It's right now 9:30 p.m. So I'm filming it after the entire day. First 3 days को I literally checked with ChatGPT just before starting the filming, but this time I checked it in the morning because तभी मेरे पास टाइम था कि मैं क्विकली चेक कर लूँ. एनी विच वेज अगर मैं फिल्म कर रही हूँ तो वैसे भी मैं फ़ोन पे चेक नहीं कर सकती वो. सो आई डिसाइडेड टू चेक इट इन द मॉर्निंग. It gave me 137 pages. Again, what's with the number 7 in the end? I don't know. It gave us 137. So that's 137 plus 26 pages of this book. ठीक है? I don't remember the exact number. I had checked just before starting this filming and I forgot that. So it was, I'm not doing math. I'm too tired at this point. So I read like 20 pages in my lunch break and then continued reading it after my work day. So I am on page 130 right now. So I've read this much and I'm very proud of my progress. And I just have like 30-40 pages जो मैं मुझे भी पढ़ने हैं, and I'm gonna finish that after filming this. I am enjoying it so much and it's so easy. Like the writing is so easy and it's so easy to get through it, and I'm literally flying through the book. So our main character is an aerospace engineer and she doesn't like her next door neighbor. She's trying to set him up with her friend because her friend just had a very bad breakup and she doesn't want her to go back to the to her ex. So that's what our main character is trying to do. So she's asking him to date her best friend, and in exchange, she will read his manuscript. So basically, he is a screenwriter, and she will read his manuscripts and help him with some constructive criticism. So we are seeing their, their meeting. She is trying to give criticism, and how he's taking it. They get to meet each other, and basically the I think that's what they meant with the forced proximity. That they are not really in a one single house, but they live next to each other. So we see them getting to know each other and all those things. It's fun, it's light, and I'm enjoying it. I'm gonna continue reading this, and I will check कि कल क्या होगा, कल क्या chat GPT बोलेगा. I'm gonna do this like 0 to 200 for the next कितने दिन बचे अभी 3 days, and then we'll see कि मैं कितने books खत्म कर सकती हूँ in these 7 days. And honestly, it was a good thing that I did this, because otherwise I wouldn't have finished this book in 3 days. Okay, like there was no way that this book, like, this is the difference already, and then it's that huge, and then the font, इसका font बहुत बहुत बड़ा नहीं है, but regular है. This one has very tiny font. I would have taken like a week to finish this book. So my screen time was reduced to half, which is a really good thing. और कम होता, but I was watching my web series, so I wanted to watch the last episode. So now I'm gonna continue the book. It's day 6, and I know I didn't really give you any update yesterday. Rather, I didn't vlog it. I read. So, ChatGPT gave me 73 pages. So, I continued this book, and I was at 236 pages at the end of the day of this book. Around 200 pages, we get to see the third act of breakup. Since then, it's been 60 pages. Like, I'm on 260 pages right now. Wait, I'll give you proper update. So, yesterday I got 73 pages, and today also it picked 73 number. So I asked it to pick some other number, because it was repeating, because it was giving common answer. See? So I asked it to give me another number, so it gave me 156. I started reading this while having chai, as usual, and I've read a few pages. So now I'm on 262 pages, and I'll be able to finish this book today, because it is around 350 pages long. I'm trying to figure out and see the number with one hand, and it's very difficult. So it's 350 pages long, and I'll still have some 40 pages left, if I'm not wrong. 30-40 pages. So I'll start another book. We'll see what I'm gonna start. For around 60 pages, I'm seeing that they have broken up, and she is alone. She had a fight with her best friend, and her best friend is not talking to her. Not really fight, she made a stupid mistake of lying to her best friend. So now she's not talking to her. And honestly, I am little bit tired of seeing that part. Like, if it was said like, okay, it's been a few days and this is what she has done, or what happened. Like, if it was given me in like a few pages, it would have been better. But we get to see her daily routine almost like every week. May almost same routine देखने मिलता है, and I'm just kinda tired of it. I mean, I hate it when the third act of breakup happens, and then we see the main character literally running back to the other person in like what, an hour or 2 pages, which is also like stupid. I don't like that. But it's been a few pages, like it's been some time, and I'm just tired of. I mean, I don't mind if there has time passed off pages, but on pages it's getting boring now. Her mother is very dependent on her and her brother, and she keeps on asking her for money, so we see that part as well. And I didn't like how she is dealing with that particular issue. She can't say no to her mom, but she can ask her dad to help them. Basically, her parents are divorced, so she is asking her dad to help her. But why would he help her? Because it's been a very long time. She got alimony. Her mother got alimony. Her mother also remarried. So now she is on her own. Why should her dad help her? And why is he the bad guy if he doesn't want to help her? Like, that's how she treated, and she was bit rude and mean to her father, but not mean to her mother. Like, she could not say everything honestly and straightforwardly to her mother, even though her character comes off as straightforward and honest. That was another talk, that how she is very honest and straightforward, and yet people think that she's aggressive, and that's what she got in her performance review. And that part also we see that how her everybody thinks that she's a little bit mean because she is honest, but she can't be honest with her mom. That's the only place she has to take a stand, but she won't. So it feels a bit off character because her brother is also supporting her. Like, her brother is also asking her to not give their mom any money, but still she won't say no. And I didn't like that part at all. Like, I was like, that's very off character and doesn't go with her personality at all. So there was that. Other than that, we see how she struggles with being in a STEM workplace and STEM job, and how her opinions are not valued, or how she is judged just because she is a woman. And that is also a big part of the story, which is good because this is a STEM novel. So I was expecting a lot of science stuff, which I love honestly. But her actions are just confusing. And I'm not liking that. And I'm tired of her third act of breakup, and there are still around 80 pages left almost. उससे ज़्यादा ही है. 90 pages left, and I'm not sure कि क्या होगा because Loki, I'm done. Because it could have been, basically this book could have been 50 pages shorter. It would have made it 100 times better, honestly. That's it. So I'm gonna finish this today. I don't think my final thoughts would change a lot because I'm bored, and इसके बाद thoughts change करना is very difficult, but we'll see if it changes at all. Like, the story changes and my thoughts change. After this, I'm thinking about starting The Ballad of Songbirds and Snakes. It's the Hunger Games prequel. I know everybody is reading Sunrise on the Reaping, but I haven't read the first prequel. So I'm gonna read that first and then start Sunrise on the Reaping. That's the plan. So I'm gonna start that today. I don't think I can finish this by tomorrow and essentially in this video, but I'll start that book today and read at least 40 pages of it. So yesterday I finished the challenge. That was the day 7 and today is day 8. So I thought कि मैं पूरा का पूरा एक साथ ही आपको wrap up दे दूँ. So yesterday ChatGPT gave me 87 pages. So I'm currently reading this book on Kindle because I don't have the physical copy and I am not going to buy another physical copy. I already have too many books on my TBR, physical TBR. So I decided to read it on Kindle. So after yesterday's and day before yesterday's pages, I reached 128 pages. It's the prequel to Hunger Games, where we see the villain from the Hunger Games. So we are seeing his backstory, and I'm honestly not that invested in his story. I mean, I'm not empathizing with him at all. We get to see what he has gone through and how his childhood was and how many difficulties he faced. So as of now, I don't have any sympathy or empathy for him, but I hope it changes. I'm not going to continue this book in this video, but I will finish this, of course, because I want to read Sunrise on the Reaping. So let's see how many pages did I read in total. On day 1, I have written it down because my phone is there. On day 1, I got 127 pages. Day 2, 173. Day 3, 267. Day 4, 137. Day 5, 73. Day 6, 156. And day 7, 87. So technically, अगर देखा जाए तो day 6 पे it had given me 73 again, but I asked it to change the number, so it chose 156. Otherwise, have you noticed the pattern? Have you? Because there's 7 in every single number. It has something to do with the number 7. Like, I don't know why it always gives a number with 7. So you also try it out and see which number it gives you. I read total 1020 pages, that is 1020 pages, which is really good. Like, I know देखने में ऐसा लग रहा है कि 2.5 books खत्म हुए हैं, but the first book was really chunky, so it makes sense that I have read 1000 pages in this week. And otherwise ये challenge नहीं करती तो शायद से एक आध book ही पढ़ती, वो सिर्फ वो first Bristol Keats. Otherwise तो, but I really enjoyed the challenge and it was super fun, and it gave me a reason to finish 2 books from my physical TBR. So I'm very happy about that. So I hope you enjoyed it, and let me know which challenge I should do next time. So comment down below. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Bye.